It's currently like 1 a.m. and we are wrapping Mr. 86's Batman's car up right now.
It's costly as well. Lab wrap's a cheaper option.
So Che, your car was locked, but you left the window unlocked, right Jackie? And we're pushing your car to hide it, so tomorrow you won't know. This is 318. Happy birthday, Surface. You shouldn't leave your car unlocked during race wars. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yes. Hey boys, ladies.
I'm making coffee because I need coffee. We got to use red cups.
Ladies. Hi.
Hi. Good morning.
Hi. When did you do that?
Oh, that looks nice.
You want to buy it?
Oh, please.
I can be your hero, baby.
Where's the highlights?
You know that's
Oi.
very secure.
And where's my cup? Where's the highlights? They're heading off now-ish, I think, because competitors have to be there a bit early. Media doesn't have to be there till 8:45. So we're going to leave around 8. See you, man. We are all packed and ready to go. We're off to Racewars, day 1. Day 2 for us, because day 1 we arrived here. Happy birthday!
Lay him down.
Yeah.
On our way to Macca's. Grab some brekkie.
So we've got to head back and get the helmet. So after food, we're going to go back. Yeah, we've got to go back and get the helmet. We've got our helmets.
Jeez, what are you going to do to our stuff while we're not there?
We, those guys.
Media? Media, you need to pull in.
Woo.
Media.
Oh, what?
Just having a chat with Speedhunters.
Okay, yeah. Okay, there at the moment. Yep. No, yeah, it's here.
Thank you. So we've got our media passes, as you can see.
Racewars 2018. Surface. Chase. On the Ronin. They're starting the races shortly. We're at the pits, just getting some shots of cars before we jump out onto the track. It's cloudy, overcast. That's alright. Adds a bit of mood to the footage.
I'm changing outside, 'cause inside is locked away. The more you ask, the more things stay the same.
Kanjara. Oh, Jakey, get the shot, son! Get the shot! Look at the cannons on this thing. I think they go through some CVs. Yeah.
I just found this crazy car. That's Shay, Jackie, who we've got the Nong Kong tires. And this is the one rack bag hot rod. So mad shout out to Nankang Tires, sponsoring Sans Royalty Vlogs, getting us free hands. Yo, we just saw Chris talking here with his Supra. What's up, Chris?
Hey, how you doing?
You wanna say something to the vlog?
Not much really, just testing the car at the moment. We're going to do a low boost pass.
Catching up with the rest of the boys.
In its own right.
If I was to put that on and take a pass, would I get in?
Probably.
New glitter.
Glitter.
Brandy, don't say to go brandy.
Give me an ice cream. $3 kitty.
I'll get you a kitty.
Give me a kitty.
Can I also get one kitty, please? Just for this kid over here.
Just a nice post first of all.
Oh, okay.
Nice looking car. Hey, you're up against a little AM 245.
You better
And I just wanna go fast. Hold on my teeth and on my neck.
A real animal. It's like a panda mated with a badger. And those two are just gonna sit there.
So we're finally down on track. A few of the guys. We're gonna watch some racing, get some footage done of that. We're gonna try and chuck the GoPro on someone's helmet. So we can get some inside footage.
Me and Che are filming The what lane is this? Like the VIP lane?
VIP lane.
The VIP lane. We got a special F-Type Project 7 car. And Jay's getting the right footage for it. Keep on going. Yes, and we finished the shot. And we've got Chris right here. Hopefully he has a good run.
Most of our gear ran flat at Racewars. We're charging it all up now. We've offloaded all the files onto the next file. All of the files! And then we're heading back for cash days. Going to spend a few more hours at Racewars. Cash days! Record cash days. In the meantime, Che and all the boys are heading out, getting some barbecue food and drinks tonight because they're going to party hard.
We'll follow you.
Why are you gonna break his other arm? Don't fall out the top. Don't back.
Oh my god.
Get out. There's someone there.
And now I spent that on some dinner. And then
As I continue, Stan's Royalty has given away a pair of genuine Stan's Royalty SXR glasses that have been
Where's Moir Street?
Germany. This dude! We went past cops playing Call on Me really loud in front of a shopping centre, and cops have now pulled us both over. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Oh, yours is a normal four-wheel drive.
Yours couldn't go fox shooting. Fuck no. In fact, my 5-year-old can climb in now without having to get a lift. What's the thing under your windscreen wiper? Is that one of them winding you up?
Yeah, they put a Hulk sticker on my windscreen I had to pull off.
Oh, yeah, that was my fault.
I don't know, I don't think it was for the music.
Maybe not.
I don't think they hate Calvin Harris.
No, it was Call on Me by... Should I play it right now?
Kids are gonna love it.
Oh.
I found this toy car on the road. That is the funniest Hilux I've ever seen. It really is.
It is a one of a kind.
It certainly drew my attention, and you don't really want my attention, but now you're the one with the beard.
Yep.
And you're the one with the not beard. No?
He's trying, he's trying.
Just keep a lid on everything and be good. You know, we understand you just here to have a good time. There's a car that looks like a pram. It's might be a bent truck, it's full of junk in the back. And there's a rabbit driving another car. You can't drive it on, you know that? What is that?
It's from this one.
What is it?
What do you mean?
Oh, I think he knows what the question is. So, what is that?
I want to know what this is too.
Yeah, your friend with the camera wants to know what that is.
Come on, Tom, fill us in.
I'm not gonna lie, I just bought it, so...
I don't know, because I just bought it. Where's the key?
Look what Tom's got, guys.
Where's the switch for
It's
it?
Nismo.
No switch.
I thought these were only in the movies.
Yeah, you yeah.
Are you Jason Statham?
You like the carbon fibre?
I like the carbon. For the sake of a $1,200 fine, I'm keeping that on. You can't make me take off.
It's not even carbon fibre.
It's not. It's really bad plastic. Probably best we walk away now.
No, that's our turn to rip into your car. This Ford, oh. Thanks, guys. You've got a flippy number plate. And that, guys, is the Albany Police.
They're awesome.
They're cool. It's just the GoPro. Alright, so we're getting alcohol. Who on that one?
I reckon we should get some Hennessy.
Don't you fucking dare do that. Get out of my shop.
Celebrate, you didn't get yellow sticker. You've just saved like $2 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? Don't drop it though. Holy moly. Just in case anything goes wrong.
I forgot Adam's stuff, so I gotta get more. Right. Thanks, dude. See you, Dan Murphy's.
At Racewars, obviously. Cash days is finished. Yeah, cars are leaving now. Got here just late. As you would have seen in the vlog, we got delayed by cops. Oh, look at that Betty though. So yeah, that's it for today. That's it for day one. We're heading back home, having a few drinks, and then tomorrow we're going around Albany, shooting a few features and capturing some B-roll for the cinematic footage. So we'll see you back at their house. Okay, so it's cooking feeds, darling.
You're gonna die.
Got mango chickens. Some more meat. More meat. And more meat. There we go, Tom. It is 11:25. And Che reckons he can straight up that. Try to zoom it, slow motion.
Eyes gone. What do we? Have hash brown.
Drinking King's Cup!
Oh, he's letting it. He's fucking letting it.
He's fucking letting it!
Holy shit.
Tom thinks he's gone to bed, but he's not going to go to bed. Just choke. Oh, shh. Call him an idiot.
Idiot.
No. Look at Jackie's face. You're a fucking idiot.
I'm not doing it! He knows.
Idiot.
Who are you?
Feels nice. Feels nice in the heart. You're a idiot. Jack, you're an idiot, dude.
Yeah, Jackie, you're an idiot, Punto. You're a f***ing idiot, Punto.
Oh, what's the matter?
Nah, joke's on you, you fucking idiot. Idiot. Oh, you're a fucking idiot for drinking that shit.
Idiot.
If you drink that, you're a bottle of idiot.
It was free.
Alright, you're not an idiot then. No. You're just a fucking idiot. Idiot. Fucking idiot. Idiot. Fucking idiot. 3 beers later, you're a fucking idiot. Oh, you're a fucking idiot.
No, you're a f***ing idiot. I sound weird, like a nigga with a hard like
Idiot Tay, you fucking idiot. Blow smoke from you fucking idiot. You fucking idiot. Studio time. Oh my god, I'm a vlogger. Look at me, look at that.
Oi!